Just gotta drink some water. So, let's see. Question 4 is saying, how do you calculate the molar mass of water? So, now, with this, to find the molar mass, you always first need to know the actual composition of the molecule. So, what is water? Water is H2O, okay? That represents water, dihydrogen oxide. Technically speaking, I don't think anyone really calls it that because they just know it as water. But, in order to now find the molar mass, you need to find the molar, the molar mass of each of its constituents. So first we need to find out how many things there are. So here we have an H and an O, okay? And how many H's do we have? According to this, we have 2 H's. So times 1.008, and don't worry, I've just memorized the molar masses of certain things. And oxygen is 15.999, okay? So what that makes us do, so now we have 2.016 and 15.999. We add them. Okay, sorry, that's not very good. We add these two together and we get 18.015. Okay, and actually this right here, this answer we get, that's actually our molar mass. So the molar mass of water is 18.015 grams per mole. Now, with that being said though, it's important to note that this number I got is based on the periodic table I use. So it's important that whenever you calculate molar mass, is that you refer to the periodic table that was given to you, because the worst thing you can do is use numbers like on the internet and then end up being slightly off. And I mention this because, as you see, when they do theirs, their molar mass is just 18 because they used oxygen as 16 grams and hydrogen as 1 gram. So just make sure you're paying attention to what your periodic table says so don't miss little marks here and there. Other than that though, their steps to be able to get to it is correct. Your constituents first, add them together, and then bam, you have your molar mass. Okay. So, now with that, let's move on to question 5.